Embarking on your first backpacking adventure can feel overwhelming. Visions of exotic landscapes and thrilling experiences often clash with the practicalities of planning, and more importantly, budgeting. But what if I told you that incredible journeys don't require a massive bank account? This guide is your roadmap to planning an unforgettable backpacking trip without breaking the bank. We'll cover everything from finding cheap flights to packing light and staying safe. Get ready to transform your travel dreams into reality, even on a tight budget. Successful budget backpacking starts with a fundamental shift in perspective. It's about embracing minimalism and prioritizing experiences over possessions. Every decision, from gear choices to daily spending, should reflect this core philosophy. Think of your budget as a creative challenge, not a limitation. This approach allows you to discover authentic local experiences often missed by mainstream tourism. It also fosters a deeper appreciation for simplicity and resourcefulness. Flights are often the biggest expense, but smart strategies can drastically cut costs. Flexibility is your greatest asset when searching for affordable airfare. Consider traveling during the off-season or shoulder seasons to avoid peak prices. Use flight comparison websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak. Always clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode when searching. Airlines track your searches and may increase prices based on demand. Look into flying into smaller regional airports near your destination. These often have lower landing fees, which translates to cheaper tickets. Be open to layovers. Direct flights are convenient but usually more expensive. Consider budget airlines, but read their baggage policies carefully. Hidden fees for checked bags or even carry-ons can quickly negate initial savings. Sometimes a slightly more expensive full-service airline might be cheaper overall. Sign up for flight deal alerts from services like Scott's Cheap Flights or Secret Flying. These services notify you of error fares or unusually low prices. Act fast when you see a good deal, as they often disappear quickly. Packing light is crucial for budget backpacking. Less weight means less strain on your back and potentially lower baggage fees. Every item you bring should serve multiple purposes or be absolutely essential. Start with a comfortable, durable backpack in the 40-60 liter range. This size encourages minimalist packing and is often carry-on compliant. Invest in quality, lightweight clothing that dries quickly and can be layered. Think versatile. One pair of sturdy walking shoes, a pair of sandals, and a few outfits that can be mixed and matched. Pack travel-sized toiletries or solid alternatives to save space and avoid liquid restrictions. A universal adapter, a portable power bank, and a small first aid kit are non-negotiables. Consider a quick dry towel and a reusable water bottle to save money and reduce waste. Leave behind anything you can easily buy or rent at your destination. Remember, less is truly more when you're carrying everything on your back. Each item should earn its place in your pack. This approach not only saves money, but also enhances your freedom and mobility. Effective budget management is key to a stress-free trip. Before you leave, research the average daily costs in your chosen destination. This includes accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. Set a realistic daily budget and track your spending diligently. Apps can help with this, or a simple notebook works just as well. Prioritize free or low-cost activities like hiking, exploring local markets, or visiting free museums. Eat like a local by frequenting street food vendors and local eateries. Avoid tourist traps, which often charge inflated prices for mediocre food. Cooking some of your own meals in hostels with kitchen facilities can save a lot. Utilize public transportation whenever possible. It's usually the cheapest option. Consider walking or cycling for shorter distances to save money and experience the area more intimately. Look for free walking tours in major cities. Negotiate prices where appropriate, especially in markets or for services. Always be polite and respectful when doing so. Remember, Every small saving adds up over the course of your trip. Technology can be a budget traveler's best friend. Download offline maps like Maps.me or Google Maps before you go. This saves data and helps you navigate without an internet connection. Hostelworld or Booking.com are great for finding affordable accommodation. Look for hostels with good reviews, free breakfast, or kitchen facilities. Couchsurfing can offer free stays and cultural exchange. XE Currency Converter is indispensable for quickly understanding local prices. Translation apps like Google Translate can bridge language barriers. WhatsApp is widely used for free communication with locals and other travelers. TripIt or similar itinerary apps help organize your bookings and plans. PackPoint can assist with creating a packing list based on your destination and activities. These tools streamline your trip and help you stay organized. While budget travel is exciting, safety should always be a top priority. Research common scams and safety concerns for your destination beforehand. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Keep your valuables secure and out of sight. Use a money belt or a hidden pouch for passports, extra cash, and credit cards. Only carry what you need for the day, leaving the rest locked up at your accommodation. Inform a trusted friend or family member of your itinerary. Check in with them periodically so they know you're safe. Consider travel insurance. It's an upfront cost but can save you a fortune in emergencies. Trust your instincts. If a situation feels off, remove yourself from it. Avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar areas. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language, especially hello, please, and thank you. Stay hydrated and protect yourself from the elements. A healthy traveler is a happy traveler. Being prepared and cautious allows you to fully enjoy your adventure with peace of mind. Planning a budget backpacking trip is an adventure in itself. By adopting a minimalist mindset, leveraging smart hacks, and prioritizing safety, you can explore the world without draining your savings. Your journey begins with a single step, and that step is smart planning. Now, go forth and explore, and